Do you love classic cars that can handle any terrain and weather? Do you want to own a piece of history that is rare and valuable? Do you want to turn heads wherever you go with a stunning orange convertible truck? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need to watch this video until the end, because I have something very special for you. A 1972 International Harvester Scout V8 4x4 convertible that is in amazing condition and ready to hit the road. Hi, welcome to Classic Car Showcase, where I show you the best deals on the coolest cars. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this 1972 International Harvester Scout and why you should bid on it right now on eBay. But before we get into the details, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps me out a lot. Alright, let's get started. So, what makes this 1972 International Harvester Scout so special? Well, for starters, it's a V8 4x4 convertible truck that can handle any terrain and weather. It has a powerful 304 cubic inch engine that delivers great performance and torque. It also has a stick-operated transfer case that features high/low 2WD and 4WD modes, and a Dana 44 axle that is well built and durable. This Scout can take you anywhere you want to go, whether it's on the highway, off-road, or on the beach. But that's not all. This Scout also has a lot of new parts and upgrades that make it even more awesome. It has brand new tires, new seat upholstery, new windshield, new carburetor, new fuel pump, new fuel filter, new wiper blades, new side stripes, new steering wheel, new antenna, new turn signal switch and relay, new mirrors, new stripes, new paint, new carpet, new spark plugs, new cab and rotor, new radiator hoses, new horn button ring, new horn contact ring, new horn ring wire harness, new air cleaner, new battery, new master cylinder, new wheel cylinders, new brake hardware springs and retainers, new soft brake lines, new key cylinder with 2 keys, new starter switch, new front bumper with D-ring shackles, new reflector lenses, new headlight bulbs, and new bulbs in all 4 turn locations. Wow, that's a lot of new stuff. And if that wasn't enough, this Scout also comes with a line set ticket from the factory, which shows the original specifications and options of the vehicle. This is a rare and valuable document that proves the authenticity and history of the Scout. And did I mention that this is a convertible truck? Yes, you heard me right. The top comes completely off for an open-air drive or beach cruise. How cool is that? Now, you might be wondering, why should I buy this 1972 International Harvester Scout? What are the benefits of owning such a classic car? Well, let me tell you. There are many benefits of owning this Scout, such as you will own a piece of history that is rare and valuable. This Scout is over 52 years old, and it's in amazing condition. It has spent most, if not all, of its years in the South, away from the salt and rust up north. The body is in great shape, including the body mounts and the rockers. These trucks are becoming harder and harder to find, especially in this condition. You will have a unique and collectible vehicle that will only increase in value over time. You will have a lot of fun and adventure with this Scout. This Scout is not just a show truck, it's also a functional and reliable truck that can take you anywhere you want to go. You can enjoy the thrill of driving a V8 4x4 convertible truck that can handle any terrain and weather. You can explore new places, go camping, go fishing, go hunting, or just cruise around town. You will never get bored with this Scout because it's always ready for action. You will get a lot of attention and compliments with this Scout. This Scout is a stunning and eye-catching vehicle that will turn heads wherever you go. It has a beautiful Omaha orange color that stands out from the crowd. It also has a lot of new parts and upgrades that make it look even more awesome. You will get a lot of questions and comments from people who are curious and impressed by your Scout. You will feel proud and happy to own such a cool and rare car. But that's not all. The interior boasts all new factory-style seat upholstery and brand new carpeting. Plus, it comes with brand new tires, 31 tints, May 15th, and a Dana 44 axle. As you can tell, this Scout is a gem that has been well taken care of and improved over the years. It is a rare and classic vehicle that is hard to find in such good condition. It is a fun and versatile truck that can be used for daily driving, camping, hunting, fishing, or just cruising around. It is a vehicle that will make you stand out from the crowd and attract attention wherever you go. It is a vehicle that you will love to own and drive. So, what are you waiting for? This 1972 International Harvester Scout is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that you don't want to miss. This is your chance to own a classic car that is rare, valuable, fun, and beautiful. This Scout is currently up for auction on eBay, and there is no buy-it-now price. You have to bid to win, and the bidding ends soon. So, don't delay. Click on the link below and place your bid right now. Trust me, you won't regret it. This is the best deal you will ever find on a 1972 International Harvester Scout. Good luck, and happy bidding.